Hey guys, what's up? I got something to show you, so check this out. Oh, don't pay attention to the garage. We're doing some reorganization, cleaning, moving stuff around. But just wanted to tell you guys, I picked up a new van. It's a 2006 Chevy Express 2500. I'm gonna give you a walk around and a tour in a minute. But the reason for this van is I want to turn it into a Moto-Van so we can haul around our bikes. So the goal is to at least get 2 full-size bikes in there, and we'll be able to take it with us wherever we go. But another reason for making this video is hopefully it'll maybe give somebody else some ideas on what to do to their van if they're deciding to do a moto van or moto trailer type of thing. So hopefully it'll inspire somebody or give somebody else some ideas, and it'll also help me because it'll give you guys a chance to leave a comment and give me some suggestions or ideas on how I can improve or do things differently or better. So like I said, I just want to show you what I picked up. So this is what I picked up. I don't think the price was too bad because I've been looking online for a while. These go for about anywhere from about 11 to 15 grand. Let me go around here. I'm in my driveway. Yeah, there's not much room here. But anyways, yeah, so picked it up for 5 grand, which was a good price for these right now on the market, and had a little issue with the radiator and stuff like that. So instead of doing it myself, I took it into a mechanic because I wanted to have it fully inspected and I wanted them to go through it thoroughly. And once I got that issue taken care of, they gave the van a clean bill of health. Plus it's got a rebuilt transmission. So it's got a couple 100,000 miles on it. I know that sounds like a lot, but these could potentially go for 400,000 or 500,000 miles. And like I said, plus it's got a brand new rebuilt transmission. It's got new tires. That's always a plus. I had all the brakes inspected. They are about 80% brake life. And yeah, I mean, there are some paint issues. There's a small couple little dings, but I don't care about that. There's no major damage, no major rust. We got some little paint peeling issues. There's some on the roof, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. Might repaint it, might not. I really don't want to go wild on the outside because I want it to look just like any other van, like a construction van, what have you. So this way nobody wants to mess with it or tinker with it, because if I make it look too good on the outside, then they're going to want to know what's on the inside, and that's where all the good stuff will be. But this is it. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. This, so I got some wood already because I went to Home Depot because I'm gonna redo the floor. I'll get to that in a second. I'm just gonna give you a little mini van tour. Came with like a shelf. Might repurpose that, or I might toss that out. I'm gonna pull this up because, like I said, I'm gonna do the floor, and I lifted some of it up. It's not too bad. There's a ton of holes on the floor. I'm gonna have to patch those up. This door is broken. Well, it's the latch. I'm trying to see if I can get some good lighting in here, but it's the rod. There's a rod in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rod, and the rod, this thing snapped off. It connects up here, and it's broken, so I got to go through it. Then we got some issues with this. Check this out. Check the framing, or the mount that this sits on the door frame. So I'm gonna have to tackle, probably just gonna put some type of a metal plate here, and then just screw that back down on the plate, because I do want windows to open. Otherwise I could just seal up the windows, take off the latch, and be done. It's like that on both sides. So we got that. Both sides. Like, I don't know how that happens. Not too much rust going on in here. The walls look pretty good. The ceiling looks really good. So only maybe a little minor rust issues up here, but that'll be easy to sand off and then just paint. Get rid of all this previously installed junk that they had. This looks like it might be for the backup camera. If it's any good, I'll use it. If not, I'm going to be putting security cameras on this anyway to be able to see around the whole exterior of the van. So I'm going to be putting new cameras anyway, but I can see here's the video link. I don't know if it works. Let's go take a look at the front cab. All right, it's not too bad in here. Got this little issue with the seat. That is no big deal. I am gonna take these seats out anyway, steam clean them, give them a good bath, and then I'm gonna seat cover them anyway. Maybe I might stitch this up so it doesn't just keep ripping, but it's gonna be under a seat cover. So the foam is, I mean, it's still good. The seats are solid and good. So this will all be seat covered. Ooh, there's a bug in here. Get out of here, little fly. I'm gonna clean up the floor and stuff. The dash is in good condition with some minor scratching there, but I'm more worried about mechanical issues and things like that. But otherwise it's solid. They put in an aftermarket radio. Only the front speaker works in the dash, so I'm gonna take care of figuring out what's going on with the side door speakers, whether they're in, plugged in, wired up or not. See some wiring. I was going to take out this mat and redo the front cab, but after inspecting it, it's actually in really good condition, minus the dirt, which I'm going to give this whole thing a complete scrub down. So yeah, I got to test everything out. You know what? I actually have never opened the side door. Like I said, I just got this. Let me go over there and open the door. The door doesn't open. Yes, it's unlocked. So I'm gonna have to tackle that. Oh wait, here's a little safety lock. Maybe that's it. No. Am I doing it the right way? Well, no, this would be unlock. Right? That would be unlock. I don't know. Let me jump in there and see what's going on here. The issues of a used vehicle. Let's climb in here. It is so filthy. I don't even like walking around here with my shoes. Look at all these holes. 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 These are all things I have to patch up. And I notice that big monster, I don't know what the heck that thing is. To me, did they cut into that? I don't know, but it's under the step, so they possibly did. I don't know. Or does the van look like that when you remove this cover thing? I don't know. I'll deal with that when I get to it. But let's see the door. Oh, the door opens from the inside. Whoa! I didn't expect it to be that heavy. Well, at least we know the door slides. I guess that would probably be the bigger thing. I might step on this thing. Make sure I don't fall through. Not even really going to be going through this way. Yeah, I think I'm just making excuses to not have to deal with trying to fix the door. But let's take a look at this. I think they actually cut that circular thing there. It looks like it's cut. You can see these grooves here. Hold on, I'm trying to hold this. You can see these grooves here are factory. That hole looks like it was cut. So if those holes, those oval shaped holes previously come with the van like that, I don't think it's going to affect. Oh no, wait, yeah, there's a hole straight through, so I'm gonna have to maybe put some of that. I just don't want exhaust and stuff coming up through. This is, of course it's ugly looking. Look at this thing. This is not repurposable. Just get like an inside side step. I'm not trying to make it look super pretty, but I don't want it to look completely bootleg. Okay, so at least the door is not broken. The handle, I don't know what's going on with that. Did I do the lock right? Who knows? I'll tinker with it. But it opens from the inside. Watch it not close. It closes. Let's lock it. Well, it doesn't matter, right? Because it doesn't open. Lock it anyways, in case I don't know how to open the door and somebody does and they come and open it and swipe everything. All right, so let's get to disassembling those seats out and get the cleaning.